Connie Ferguson joins EFF. Connie Ferguson is one humble and down-to-earth TV personal, and she has avoided getting involved in politics. But as of recent, I guess she just couldn't sit back and watch the beloved country cry over a situation that can be changed. Connie apparently said enough is enough and joined the EFF movement to better the county. She says EFF leader is an angry soul and addresses issues harshly. That's why she never supported his party. It's only now that she realizes the country needs a harsh address to rid all of the corruptions that's taking place as of lately. If we as parents and grandparents just sit back and do nothing, then our grandchildren will never know the beauty of being South Africans living in South Africa.